All right, guys, so we're at Kent's Harley Davidson, and what we're doing today is we're doing the Toys for Tot toy run, the 2024 toy run, and I'm gonna ride with the West Texas Hog group. They're getting together as one big group to do the parade. Now, I don't know a lot about it. Like I said, we've just moved here somewhat recently, so this is all new to me. We're with General Manager Steve Hood, and he runs the West Texas Hog chapter, and he's putting this together, I guess, for the Toys 2024.
Well, we helped the Gypsies put it on, the Gypsy Motorcycle Club.
Okay.
And the Marines. And so what we're going to do here in just a few minutes is those of us that are members of the West Texas chapter of Hog, we're going to all ride over there, and then we'll join in with the rest of the motorcycles from Abilene that are going to show up, and then we'll have a parade right back over here again.
Oh, okay.
And they'll have Marines will be set up, and we'll all have the toy donation, and they're going to have a live auction, I guess, over here. I'm not sure exactly what they got. It's supposed to be food truck here in a little bit, so kind of a shindig for, this morning and mid-afternoon.
West Texas Harley Owners Group taking off for the 2024 Toys for Tots toy run. Some of the clubs, Warriors of Honor, we've got Christian Motorcycle Association, Guardians of the Children, Gypsy MC.
I knew it was, well, obviously I knew it was.
All right, guys, so we're in Abilene, Texas, and we're with the Gypsy MC, and I'm going to let the Sergeant at Arms, Pat, Fat Girl, tell us a little bit about what they're doing here.
Well, we're just doing our annual toy run. It's been going on a long time now. We do it in conjunction with the Marines. I mean, they've even got the deuce and a half here with the Toys for Tots logo. I mean, we've been doing this every year for a long time now.
Yeah.
And we're just trying to raise toys for the Marine Corps Toys for Tots.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a great turnout from everything I've seen.
We've had some better years. We've had some worse years.
Oh yeah. It's up and down.
It's still a little early. I'm hoping to see a few more riders.
Okay.
Well, I'm hoping to see a lot more riders, but we'll see how that turns out.
Well, man, I appreciate you putting this on for us. I mean, definitely.
Like I said, we've been doing it for a long time.
Okay.
I hadn't always been a member of the Abilene chapter. The Abilene chapter's been doing it for a long time.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, we're going on probably about 20 years doing this thing. 20,
oh, wow.
20, 25, something like
That's
that.
wonderful.
Chapter's been around a little over 30, so.
Okay. That's quite a while. Great. Well, man, thanks for your time. I appreciate it.
Anytime.
So this is our escort for the day. Thank you.
We just wanted to thank you all for coming out. Every year we've been doing this for, God, I don't know how many years we've been doing it, but I've been here 3 years, and every year is a fantastic turnout. We have all these guys coming out here on the bikes, looking fabulous, bringing all these toys and donations, and it's just something that we enjoy doing, getting with the community. So we thank you all for coming out, and hopefully we get you guys out there to help us give all these toys out to the children when that time comes.
Kent's Harley Davidson was kind enough to use their dealership as I guess the end point for the toy run. It's pretty exciting. It's my first time doing this in Abilene, and hopefully I'll be able to do it for many years to come.